Introducing a revolution in flight. 2 years ago, Zero Robotics introduced the Hover Camera Passport, the first flying camera of its kind. It won numerous design awards, led to a worldwide partnership with Apple Retail, and touched the lives of thousands. Now, after 2 years of research and development, from the lab to the sky, we're proud to present the next generation, Hover 2, the drone that flies itself. Hover 2 is the most intelligent, most complete flying camera the world has ever seen. With 4K video, 12 megapixel photos, and a smooth, super compact gimbal, Hover 2 lets you capture the natural world and your place in it in dazzling detail. Taking a photo with a drone has never been easier. Use AutoFrame to select a shot, press a button, and Hover 2 will safely fly into position. This is possible due to a proprietary obstacle avoidance system. The optical radar is a swiveling stereo sensor that pops up with a small tap, delivering 360-degree spatial awareness. Hover 2's new suite of AI algorithms, paired with the Snapdragon processor, is 4 times more powerful than its predecessor. 3D mapping and advanced visual positioning allow Hover 2 to plan its flight path and bypass obstacles in real time. Use OmniFollow to track your movements from the front, side, and back, with more stability and higher tracking precision, both made possible by the new AI. Track shots are flight presets inspired by classic filming techniques that help you capture epic clips of you and your friends. Cinematic themes on the Hover app include filters, music, and more to transform footage you just captured into shareable clips with professional appeal. To unlock the full power of aerial flight, enable blast-off mode. Uncaged and paired with the blast-off remote and accessories, Hover 2 responds with up to 23 minutes of flight time and a 5-kilometer range. Aerodynamics, agility, and finesse are also increased. Hover 2 is the easiest and most intuitive flying camera yet. The technology of the future, available today.
This is the story of how VEZO changed my life. 5:02 a.m., I wake up to get ready for work. Tailored shirt, timeless, classic. Coffee. A gift from my lover. VEZO 360 Smart Dashcam. Beautiful design, intelligent features, a refined innovation for car security. 6:13 a.m., I head out to install my VEZO 360. The specially designed mount supports all types of cars, and the strong magnetic attachment makes it effortless to install. My new life with VEZO begins now. Oh no. It was clearly this idiot's fault, and I can prove it. VEZO's 360 camera system captures all around my car without any blind spots. Using the dedicated app, I can wirelessly transfer videos to my phone, and the 4K HD video shows everything in crystal clear detail. It's an open and shut case. 1:26 p.m. I believe in working hard in order to... Someone just hit my parked car, and she just drove away. A classic hit and run. But VEZO automatically detects accidents even when my car is off, and the low-power sensors do not drain the car's battery. With its 4G capability, I'm notified immediately by receiving a video clip to my phone. I've got all the proof I need for an insurance claim. 6:21 p.m. It's been a long day and I feel quite sleepy. Thankfully, VEZO's sleep detection feature uses facial recognition to alert a drowsy driver. That was close. VEZO, you saved my life. 11:16 p.m. I'm finally back home. As a crime deterrent, VEZO's bright LED light remains on at all times. This lets others know that VEZO is watching. Looks like I'm in safe hands. 9:46 a.m., I go on a road trip with my best friends. Why don't I capture this spontaneous moment? With just a single press of a button, I can take a selfie in the car as well as the outside landscape, all in one seamless 360 image or video. With the dedicated internal battery, I can even take VEZO outside to use it just like a regular 360 camera. An unforgettable memory captured in a gorgeous 360-degree image. And I can quickly share my photos and videos to social media directly from the VEZO app. My life is now fully protected, all thanks to my VEZO 360 Smart Dash Cam. Thank you, VEZO.
What makes a smart security camera truly intelligent? And how does the ability to differentiate between objects, animals, and people bring us closer to that peace of mind we all desire? When buying a smart security camera, you want to make sure that wherever you are, your home is always in good hands. But smart security cameras are either overly complicated, unreliable, expensive, or all of the above. So 1 year ago, we set up to change all that.
Hi, my name is Daniel. I'm co-founder and VP of Engineering at Eyecloud, and this is what we've been working on.
Driven by Intel Movidius 12-core VPU, Eyecloud Cam is the first battery-powered security camera to run an embedded neural network. For efficient power consumption, the camera uses one core, while the other ones are waiting to be wakened by an event. When Eyecloud Cam sees an unknown person, it starts recording and sends a notification containing the images of the event, along with the option to trigger an acoustic alarm. Eyecloud Cam captures and encrypts crisp HD videos, day and night, and works on hardcore rechargeable batteries that last up to 6 months. Truly wireless and cordless, it can be placed anywhere, inside or outside, keeping your surroundings cable-free and safe. Have it hanging off a metallic object, or simply place it on a flat surface. Plug and play, if you will, except there's nothing to plug. Essential to our innovation was our experience working on Intel's Movidius VPU, as well as our know-how in computer vision, image sensors, and AI algorithms. We used machine learning to feed the camera countless scenarios to ensure the least amount of false alarms possible. We created an all-in-one smart security camera that delivers real-time person and face detection that is truly wireless and affordable.
And now, the reason we are here, setting high goals, calls for big investments. We are finally ready to make this fantastic product a reality. All your contributions will go into fine-tuning and manufacturing as we move on from prototyping into mass production. This is the first big step for Eyecloud. Be part of this journey to the smart home of the future. Thank you.
Freedom is what we're born to look for. What if you had your own cameraman to record every memorable moment? Meet OBSBOT Tail, the smart robotic cameraman and director. OBSBOT Tail is the world's first auto-director AI camera powered by an AI chip that can process up to an astonishing 5 trillion flops. It enables you to be your own actor, director, and cameraman all at the same time. Tell OBSBOT Tail who to track? Or let it choose by itself. OBSBOT Tail, its unique and powerful AI tracking technology, moves the camera head automatically to track your movement. The power gesture feature lets you use different gestures to control OBSBOT Tail. OBSBOT Tail extracts your memorable moments automatically. OBSBOT Tail delivers 4K 60 FPS videos and is capable of recording up to 240 FPS so that you can shoot nearly all types of time-lapse videos. It has a superior quality 1/2.3-inch Sony CMOS sensor and a set of 10 advanced lenses, with 4 of them being Hoya aspheric lenses. OBSBOT Tail is also the first camera to have a 3-axis PTZ system supporting a physical 360-degree panning. OBSBOT Studio is a powerful free app that lets you do cool things like have multiple shooting ratios and use vertical shooting mode. Use mirroring to show the real-time inversion video so that it's easier for you to learn how to dance. Add synchronization filters. OBSBOT Tail will become your smart, AI-enabled cameraman who films your life seamlessly. OBSBOT Tail. Be your own director.
Hi guys, my name is Johnson and I'm a partner here at Remote Tag. We created OBSBOT Tail with our series of patent technologies which are first time to be seen in the world. It opens up a new category in the imaging industry and allows anyone to be their own director without asking for help from anyone else or holding the camera and fixing the angles all the time. We believe cameras with new functions and forms will become an essential part in our daily self-expressing and communication. We're very excited for the possibility of revolutionizing the way how we record and make videos, as well as the way how we socialize. Our philosophy here at OBSBOT is simple: to empower both amateurs and professionals to truly write on their creativity via visual format in a simpler and ultra-light way, and to record life and the world around to share and open dialogues across boundaries. Now, you don't need a bulky and complicated DSLR anymore. Also, unlike mobile phones and action cameras, OBSBOT Tail is a smart, intuitive, powerful, and hand-free tool for anyone to be their own director. We hope you find it as seamless and powerful as we do. After 2 years of development of this product, we really hope you can support us and bring this fantastic product into your life.